Guys, look around over here for the football. Look around for the object. We're playing football. No ban, no ban. I'm so used to shooting on you.
I like your design of you.
Something behind.
Ref coming through the hall. Ref coming out.
Oh, friendly. Did I get you?
No, you missed me.
Good. Because I was realizing halfway through the trigger pull. I'm out. Tell me. Hit! You hit, David. Okay. Get this bozo from behind. Is it clear down there?
Yeah.
Go.
Every time I try to leave, I die.
Hey! Dead man coming through. Dead man. Dead man in the hallway.
Timmy, friendly behind.
Dead man.
Timmy, no. Oh. Is it clear down that way?
Yeah, it's clear.
Out, 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 out. Out.
Two.
Doctor, hey, ho. Dead man. Dead man in the hallway. Hit. Ref coming through. Ref coming through. Ref call.
So, sorry about that. Oh, what? What? I'm behind you. Why would you? Yeah, we do.
There's someone on the right, but I don't know where. Is his shadow moving? It's on the right.
Come on. No, check that.
Ref coming through.
Bang.
Dead man.
No bands. You too, David. Ah, good shot, headshot. Dead man.